Tiller, man. Shout out to Hollow too. Solving the problem, fuck this fuck boy. Stop frontin', man, your mama bought that truck, boy. If I see him in the street, I'm turning up, boy. Fuck that talking, man, let's knuckle up, boy. Yeah, hey yo, why you think I'm joking for? His name fits him perfect, that's why I'm about to smoke this boy. Hey yo, man, I don't think that fuck boy heard that shit, man. Run that shit the fuck back, man. Trackzilla, man, y'all already know. Yeah. Hey yo, why you think I'm joking for? His name fits him perfect, that's why I'm about to smoke this boy. And my punchlines like Roy Jones, boy on that boy, man. That's why that boy gone. Oh, he smoking boat, oh, he sniffing coke, oh, he smoking crack. Man, this bitch a joke. Now my shit is dope. I'ma grip the foe. And your mom kinda cute, so I'ma get the throat. I'ma take it to the telly, give her deep wood. And why you rep the east like you being Creekwood? You a mama's boy, you don't want the drama, boy. I kill beats and spit shit like llamas, boy. And I ain't gon' lie, dog, I ain't a battle rapper. But when I'm done, man, this bitch gon' need a chiropractor. So call your daddy up, I'm in the caddy, bruh. I'm out to smoke this Dutch and roll another fatty up. We fucked the pack up, didn't have to re-up. So he hit his pops up, his pops got the guap, bruh. All this trap shit, but you ain't serving no rock, bruh. When you was in summer camp, I was locked up. He ain't never been to Blue Clay Road. And I was on this rapping shit when I was 2 days old. Talking about I took a whole style, but you took a whole verse, man, and switched this shit around. Well, they do that shit at Rain Me. And it's crazy how you spit the same verse to the fucking same beat off a DJ Envy mixtape back in 05. You were rockin' with connecting them. I knew it from the start that my team were on some epic shit. Might check this shit, record, then I wreck this shit. Biting all them G-Unit rhymes, I ain't respect that shit. But back then, I ain't say nothing. Hey yo, put his neck up in the guillotine. I hit him with the chopper and blow his body to the Philippines. Flow dope like morphine, back when we were 14. Hit him with the 40, man, probably make him shoulder lean. Dust grams, I'm about to smoke him like Doja Lee for opium. Hey yo, my flow dope like opiates. Tell him to get over it. You probably steal this verse right here. And then tell him that you wrote this shit. Every verse that I quote be the dopest shit. And I know in my heart that I wrote my shit. I ain't never bit shit from the industry. But you could be a memory. You could be my enemy. Tell him pour out some Hennessy. Hey yo, man. I don't understand this shit, bro. Talk all this east side shit. Hey yo, man, you live in Portland's neck, dog. Hey yo, chill. Hey yo, man, you be in L. Ogden or some shit. Out there in Castle Hayne or something, man. Let's be for real, man. Hey yo, I'm gonna let you live this time.